Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Rotisserie Kit is probably one of the most versatile and convenient grilling accessories you can get, allowing you to effortlessly roast whole chickens, flavorful pork loins, and even juicy vegetables to perfection, resulting in incredibly tender and evenly cooked meals every single time, and it's compatible with most grills, making it a must-have for any serious outdoor chef or grilling enthusiast. Number 5. Dyna-Glo Rotisserie Kit. This kit is perfect for adding rotisserie cooking to your grilling experience. It's compatible with most gas grills, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. It easily fits most gas grills with a firebox width up to 32 inches. You'll be able to enjoy perfectly roasted meats and vegetables. With its straightforward design, it's easy to assemble and use. Get delicious results with minimal effort. It's built to last with high-quality materials. Enjoy years of delicious rotisserie cooking. The 6-foot power cord provides ample reach to your grill. Conveniently place it wherever you need it. We stand behind its quality with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. It boasts great compatibility, fitting most grills with fireboxes up to 32 inches wide. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a long power cord for flexible placement, this is the one for you. What people say. It looks better, feels sturdier and has more parts. I have used it 3 times now and it was a success. Cooked a 5 pounds chicken on it and it came out great. Universal mounting brackets worked on my grill, but I wish the holding bracket was taller as the counterweight doesn't clear the outside of the grill table so I can't use it. It actually wasn't needed as the spit turned fine without it. Fit my gas grill perfectly, works exactly the way it should. Number 4. Onlyfire Weber Kettle Rotisserie Kit. This kit lets you easily turn your charcoal grill into a rotisserie. It's perfect for cooking large cuts of meat. It's designed for a tighter fit on your grill, providing better temperature control for even cooking. This ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. It's compatible with most 21-12 to 22-12 inch diameter charcoal grills, including popular brands like Weber. Check the dimensions to ensure compatibility with your grill. It features a 1-piece spit rod for superior strength and stability. It can handle up to 20 pounds of food. The kit comes with everything you need: a high-temp steel ring, spit rod, motor, counterbalance, forks, and more. It's easy to assemble and clean. With this kit, you can easily create delicious, evenly cooked rotisserie meals. Get ready to impress your friends and family. What we like. This upgraded version ensures a tighter fit and better temperature control. It's built to handle up to 20 pounds of food. If you're looking for a sturdy, easy-to-assemble rotisserie for your kettle grill, this is a great option. What people say. The parts fit well together. The motor is fantastic. It's quiet and strong. It's easy to use. The chicken came out juicy and tender. The counterweight is a very nice addition. Helps the unit to run silently. Runs well. Rolled off a table and onto the ground and held its shape well. Nice thickness material for this use. It's well designed, and it works well. The first 2 uses I wound up with perfectly cooked whole chicken that was super moist. The motor is quiet. The central spit is robust. The hardware that holds the food on the spit is well designed. The handle stays cool to the touch. Number 3. Dreyoo Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. It comes with everything you need: motor, skewers, forks, and mounting hardware. It's designed to fit most grills, making it perfect for backyard BBQs. The 4W motor rotates food evenly at 2 to 3 RPM. It features a waterproof on-off switch and is UL certified for safety and peace of mind. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and is safe for your family. It can handle up to 20 pounds of food. The spit rod holder is adjustable and the rods are designed for easy storage. The waterproof switch adds extra safety. It's simple to set up and use, perfect for cooking large or small cuts of meat. Just make sure your grill has the correct mounting holes before you begin. What we like. It comes with everything you need: including mounting hardware. It's UL certified for safety and made with food-grade materials. If you want a hassle-free, safe, and complete rotisserie kit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Follow directions and it works great. Works good and easily to use. I don't know the actual weight capacity of it, but I have put a large ham on it. I have but a tri-tip with 2 New York strips so it can support some weight. I just wish it was longer or that the skewer had a handle on it. Number 2. Onlyfire Universal Rotisserie Kit. This kit brings the convenience of rotisserie cooking to your gas grill. It's easy to use and perfect for cooking large roasts, poultry, and more. The 4-watt electric motor provides consistent rotation, ensuring even cooking. Say goodbye to constantly changing batteries. It fits most gas grills with cooking boxes up to 39 inches wide. The kit includes 2 short rods that connect to create the perfect length for your grill. This kit includes everything you need: 2 spit rods, forks, counterbalance, brackets, and more. It's built to handle up to 20 pounds of food. Rotisserie cooking adds a delicious and impressive element to your grilling. It's a fun and easy way to cook perfectly juicy meats. Try it today. Please note that it does not fit Weber grills and is not recommended for whole lambs or pigs. Always measure your grill's cooking box before ordering. What we like. This kit features a convenient 110V electric motor, eliminating the need for battery changes. The long spit rod allows for cooking larger cuts of meat. If you want even cooking and a reliable power source, this is for you. What people say. Easy to install, perfect size, functions exactly as expected. The rotisserie seems to be heavy duty and had no problem turning. I had no problem assembling the rotisserie or getting everything ready to cook. Fit grill having multiple mounting holes. I've cooked chickens and a ribeye roast. Perfect rotation speed, easy to mount with meat and to remove when done. Spray with olive oil and cleanup is a snap. Number 1. Onlyfire Universal Rotisserie Kit. This kit lets you easily add rotisserie functionality to your grill. It's compatible with many popular grill brands, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. It features a powerful electric motor with a waterproof on-off switch and auto-reverse function for effortless cooking. The long cable provides ample reach. The kit includes 3 different sized spit rods to accommodate various foods, from smaller roasts to larger turkeys. You'll be able to cook a wide variety of dishes. Everything you need is included: spit rods, counterbalance, forks, brackets, and more. It's a complete, ready-to-use rotisserie system. It's designed to fit many grill brands, including Broil King, Broil Mate, Sterling, and Grill Pro. Check your grill's dimensions to ensure compatibility. The unique counterbalance system ensures smooth turning, even with unevenly weighted food, reducing strain on the motor and promoting even cooking. Choose between a 45-inch or 53-inch spit rod to perfectly fit your grill. Measure your grill's cooking area before ordering to ensure the best fit. What we like. It features an electric motor with an auto-reverse function and a unique counterbalance system for smooth operation. It comes with multiple rod lengths for versatility. If you need a rotisserie with advanced features and multiple rod options, this is the one to get. What people say. It fits just fine, and works well. However, I did need longer screws. This is a good kit with a counterweight, adjustable cradle and 4 sets of forks so 2 chickens can be roasted at the same time. Used on Pitboss 1100 Pro Doubtful Oven. Comes with 2 sets of tines and everything needed to install on any gas, propane, wood pellet grills works. Would absolutely buy again and recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.